Welcome back to Living 808. HMSA has been serving the people of Hawaii for 85 years. And as they celebrate their anniversary, we're going to be learning more about the plans that they offer. And Tina from HMSA joins us with the details. Aloha.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Congratulations, 85 years.
Yes, we're very happy. We're celebrating our 85th anniversary and that we've been serving Hawaii's residents. And we're very happy that we can continue to serve them and provide quality and affordable health care.
Wonderful. And a big way that you do that is through some of your different programs. So what are we going to be talking about today?
We are talking about HMSA Medicare Advantage. So I'm very happy that we can share this information. I can share the scoop about HMSA Medicare Advantage next year. Perhaps the best thing is that we have our $0 plans that are available statewide. Now these will give you wherever you are in the state, whether on Oahu, in Lihue, Maui, or Kauai, you can get a $0 all-in-one Medicare Advantage plan. Now, the next thing I think is so great is that we are going to be offering an over-the-counter benefit next year. Now, what that means is you'll get up to $95 every quarter, so every 3 months, to spend on health and wellness products at participating retail pharmacies as well as online.
Good to know.
Yeah.
Okay.
And one more good thing is we do have our $0 routine dental benefit.
Nice.
So with that, you'll get your x-rays, your routine visits, cleanings, as well as fillings and more with no copayment.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
I didn't even know all of those things were offered.
I know.
Are there any more highlights that we should know about?
Yes, you get $300 towards standard lenses and frames with their vision benefit.
Okay.
So if you want to get those cute, like Tory Burch frames or something, you'll have $300 to do that annually, as well as we want to encourage people to see their PCPs. So there is no copay to see your PCP. So we want you to form that relationship, get those routine screenings so you have a better outlook on your health, as well as your doctor has a better outlook on your health. So it doesn't cost you anything to see your PCP.
Okay, good to know. And why else would you, I mean, I think all those are really great examples and reasons, but why do you think people should get on one of these plans?
Well, they're all-in-one plans, you know, and it simplifies things. So I think that, you know, you have that one co-payment and you have all these great benefits. In addition to what I stated before, you also get your travel, your fitness, you get one of the largest statewide providers in the state, so that's good in terms of finding a doctor. So all of those things combined, I think, are very awesome things to have in a Medicare Advantage plan.
Okay, that's a lot of great information.
Yes.
And you mentioned, you know, you have to have Medicare. So there's certain age restrictions as well. So who can benefit from the plans?
Those people who are 65 years or older can join, and who are residents of the state of Hawaii. So it's pretty simple to join. Those are the only two qualifications.
Okay. And then what about timing? Because I know, you know, are there certain enrollment periods we should know about?
Yeah, we're right in our annual enrollment period. So that runs from October 15th through December 7th. So during this time, people can sign up for a Medicare Advantage plan if they don't have one. They can change their Medicare Advantage plan if they'd like to, but I want to let people know that if they are happy with their Medicare Advantage plan, they don't have to do anything. It'll automatically renew with any changes to benefits or premiums happening on January 1st.
Okay, perfect. Good to know. And for those who are interested in getting on the plan, where do we go for more information and how do we sign up?
We have several ways for you to enroll, as well as getting more information. First, you can actually go into one of our HMSA centers. We do have them statewide. We have one in Pearl City as well as on Keeaumoku Street in Honolulu. We have one in Lihue. We also have one in Kahului and in Hilo. So we are statewide. You can go in, talk to somebody, and we actually have workshops that we do out of our HMSA centers. So if you want to come in, the workshops are absolutely free. You can learn a little bit about Medicare as well as our Medicare Advantage plans. And then you can also call in to get more information. We are there daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Or you can go on our website. We have lots of resources on there, as well as you can enroll there at hmsa.com/Medicare.
Perfect. And that was a lot of information. I love that you guys are able, though, to teach the community so much about it. So the details, we'll have their website as well as their phone number on our website at KHON2.com. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
And again, congrats on 85 years.
Thank you very much. It's been an honor.
Yeah, really great achievement. All right, well, so much more when Living 808 returns. Stay with us.